Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Google Gemini video option not showing problem. Let's see how to get following all step. Do not skip. Tap on Hold Gemini, click on App Info or I button, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Delete. Go to Play Store, click on Search bar, search Gemini. Update Gemini app if available Play Store or App Store. Hopefully in this way you can get video option on Gemini. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.